Dear students, honorable guardians and viewers who are watching me right now, take my salam. I first of all want to give you my introduction. I am Lutfur Nahar, Assistant Teacher, Raujan IJ Mature Institution, Raujan, Chattogram. On behalf of our school, I welcome you all to Raujan Online School. In this pandemic situation, I hope you are passing good times with your family and your parents. I hope in this situation you are completing your lessons in your home, and for your help with these lessons, we try to help you with our online class. And our today's class is for the students of class 9 and 10 vocational, and today's topic is tag question, and I hope you are ready with your pen and paper. And if you miss the class, you can watch it in our Facebook page Raujan IJ Mature Online School, and at the same time in my channel Lutfur Nahar YouTube channel. Okay, so our today's topic is tag question. What is tag question? Tag question is a kind of mini question. What is mini question? Mini question is such a question which start with auxiliary question like auxiliary verb like am, is, are, have, has, etc., which make a question. So let's see the definition of tag question. First of all, let's see what is our today's learning outcomes. Our today's learning outcomes is what is tag question, use of tag question, and rules of some rules of tag question. Okay, a tag question in English grammar, a question tag is a very short clause at the end of a statement which changes the statement into a question. Okay, so as our today's topic is tag question, you should keep in mind that you should have put the question mark at the end of the statement, and our question type is a very short type. Okay, shorten the question. For example, you go to school. What type of sentence it is? It's a simple present tense. And you know that simple present tense don't have any auxiliary verb. But the sentence mentioned here that it's an action, doing an action, and what the subject doing, go. So as this is second, you is a second person, so you should put do, and as the statement is positive, there is a trick in the tag question, main trick, the tag question, that if the statement is positive, you should ask the question in negative state. The tag question should be negative, and if the statement is a negative one, then you should use positive type of question. You go to school, don't you? Similarly, there is another example from simple present tense, but there is a different from the first one. He reads a book. Here is a as included with the main verb reads. So we use does. you know that if the subject is third person singular number, then we should put as or yes with the main verb of the sentence. Okay, that's why we use doesn't he. Clear? Now we will see some more example with the rules. Why should we use tag question? We use tag question for smooth, beautiful, expression and for sound more natural. Okay, if we use tag question, I mean shortened question, it sound natural. Okay, rules of tag question. First of all, main rules, you should put a question mark at the end of tag question or question tag. Okay. The second rule is, if the statement is a positive one, then the tag question will be negative. It's the main trick of tag question. You must put a question mark at the end of the statement, and if the statement is a positive one, you should use negative tag at the end of the sentence. Okay. You should use auxiliary word with according to the statement and use not if necessary. Okay. Another rule, in the case of simple present tense where there is no auxiliary verb, you should use do, did, you should use do or does. to make the question. To make a question. Okay. Now let's see some shortened form of tag question. Ain't, are not, aren't, is not, isn't, was not, wasn't, are not, aren't, have not, haven't, has not, hasn't, hadn't, shall not. There is a different here. Shan't, will not, won't, cannot. Look carefully, we used one N here. Could not, you should keep in mind that here we use space between two words, but we did not use any space here. We shortened two words in a word. Okay. So now let's see some more example. She is a beautiful girl. Here is the auxiliary, and you should keep in mind that you should use auxiliary, and it will be very easy for you if you find auxiliary word in a statement. Isn't she? Auxiliary, not, and the subject one. And if the subject is someone's name, what we will do then? You should use he or she according to the gender. Okay? And you should use it for some animals. Okay? Dance, plays piano. Doesn't he? Look, here we use he instead of James. We also shorten the subject. We use he instead of James. Ronnie goes to school you are a good girl. As we see the auxiliary word are, we used it in the tag question. Okay, and here another third person and added as our yes with the main verb, and that's why we use doesn't. Okay, and the main tricks in tag question that if the statement is a positive one, you should use negative tag in the statement. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the class and learned something from this class. And you should keep in mind that if you miss today's class, you can watch the class in our Facebook page, Raujan Aijamatra Online School page, and also in my channel, in my YouTube channel, Lutfur Nahar. Okay? Thank you. Allah Hafiz.